Meu nome é Paulo Caleb e, continuando a série de perguntas e respostas, hoje falaremos com o professor Pierre Brissot, que é um médico hepatologista francês e um dos maiores especialistas em hemocromatose do mundo. A pergunta que endereçamos é: Professor Pierre, por que é importante ter um grupo ou associação de pacientes com hemocromatose?
Hello, Paulo. It's my pleasure to answer your question. Yes, it's really essential to develop associations of patients with hemochromatosis. And the main reason is that we need to increase awareness of this disease. Despite its high frequency, it is a disease which remains very underdiagnosed. Very important that together with medical doctors, patients fight to increase awareness of the disease. Besides this major reason, increasing awareness, there are two more specific goals that patients may help to reach together with medical doctors. The first goal is to obtain general screening of the disease in the population. The second more specific goal for the interest and the input of patients through associations is to contribute to a better understanding of the disease. Major advances have been realized in the recent future on hemochromatosis, but there remains many questions which need to be answered. For instance, the joint pains, which may be very disabling in this disease, are not well understood. We don't understand really the mechanism of this joint pain. And so the input of the patients is to help to select the good questions for clinical research, to contribute to the design of the clinical trials, and also of course, to participate as patients for the inclusions of patients in clinical trials, which more and more will be international trials. So, for all these reasons, it's very important to set up and to develop hemochromatosis association. And over the years, I contributed to create several associations in France, in Europe, and more recently at the international level through the creation of Hemochromatosis International. And I would like to end up this talk to say to you, all Brazilian friends and people who are listening to me now, that you are lucky, you are fortunate, because you have with Paulo a medical doctor who is young, who is an internationally recognized expert in hemochromatosis, who is highly motivated and who has great human qualities. So I send you my very best wishes for the success of the Brazilian associations. Paulo is the leader of this Brazilian Hemochromatosis Association. You know that he was also a very successful president of Hemochromatosis International last year. So my very best for the future, and I will be always available to contribute with you to develop this dynamic for improving the well-being of patients who suffer from hemochromatosis and also of all individuals who are at risk for developing the disease. Goodbye, Paulo, and hope to see you soon.